Notting Hill Carnival is all about fun, festivities and having a great time. But for many property owners, they are very concerned about the damage and the solutions that exist to prevent damage. A typical solution is your typical 2 metre high temporary fence panel scrimmed with debris netting. However, these are always 2 metres high, which can cause an obstacle for throwing things over. An alternative is to use timber hoarding to a height that you desire. However, this can be costly, sometimes can't be reused, and also takes longer to install. A better solution is RapidShield from First Fence. It's a rapid deployment, quick set fence, up to 3 metres in height, 3 different mesh types including an anti-climb 358 option. It's the smart decision for quick assemblies and quick dismantles.